Hey friends, it is that time of year, so I'm going to be sharing with you how to pull reports on Poshmark and eBay to go ahead and get your tax information together. So it's going to depend on how you track and manage and what information you need and how you do your accounting. So today's video, I am not a CPA. All videos, I'm not a CPA, but I am not a CPA. I'm not making recommendations of what information you need to file your taxes. I am just showing you how to access the reports that are going to give you information for your sales for the entire year. We're going to be looking at eBay, and then I will be looking at Poshmark, how to download the report. So the first thing that you want to do is go into your eBay. Oh, I already had it up to show you guys. So what you want to do is go into My Seller Hub. You want to click on your sell, and then you have all these tabs up here. You click on reports. Over to the left, you can click onto your downloads. So there's various different reports that you can pull here. You can see recently, and I'll link the video up here, I was pulling active listing reports because what I was tracking and managing did not match eBay. So I was going through and figuring it out. They lost 500 items. I go through all of that right here, but I was pulling reports for that. But you go in here, you click download, select report source. So you have a couple different options. You can do your orders. So these are the items that sold. So for tax purposes, for your gross and for the information that you're going to need for how much money you made, you're going to want to select your orders. You can look at your listings. So if you want to pull out all of your active listings for whatever reason, maybe to do reconcile with your inventory, look at things, whatever it is, you can pull that as a report as well. And then you can get marketing reports as well. If you click on orders, then you have different types of reports that you can pull. Depending on what you're looking at, you would pull a different one. However, what you want to pull, depending on how you do your accounting, but most of the time what you want to pull for your sales is going to look at your paid and shipped. And once you click on that, then you can look at a date range, custom date range, whatever it is, and then go in here, and this is telling you all of the items or all of the categories that are going to come with that. Now, if you are on Poshmark, you want to go ahead and go over to on the computer. I think you can do this on, it's going to download a CSV file, so you probably want to do it on a computer. I think you may be able to pull it on your phone, but it sends you an email. So if you go to your little icon up at the top, and then you want to click on My Sales, it's going to give you to order activity. You scroll all the way down to My Sales Report. If you're pulling for, a tax purposes, you want the entire last year, you want to look at your last full year, and it's going to pull that report. It's going to, on Poshmark, it is going to send you an email that you can then click on, and it'll download the report for you. Something to be mindful with Poshmark, what shows up in the report is when it is received by the customer. So if you're pulling the report right now, well, it's January 9th, so you should probably be okay. But if you're pulling a report, you usually want to give it, a week or two by time it gets shipped to the customer, and then the item shows up in the report once the money has hit your bank account. Depending on how you do your reporting, depends on how you want to account for that as well. And I forgot to say, for eBay, it is going to allow you to download the report. You click on that, and then you go into eBay, and it'll allow you to download the report. If you guys like this video, YouTube thinks you'd also like this video. I will link a playlist down here of eBay tutorials and how to. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join my memberships to support content like this.